NBC 15 News starts now.
Days after a furnace is installed, a home explodes, killing one and injuring two. Now at 10, a local company says it installed the furnace. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm John Stofflet.
And I'm Lee Mills. As investigators try to figure out what caused a home explosion in Sun Prairie, a contractor steps forward, saying they installed a furnace in the home 1 week before the explosion. NBC 15's Chris Woodard is here with more.
John and Lee, this is just one more piece to the puzzle, and while it confirms neighbors' suspicions that work was done, Sun Prairie police have not confirmed the cause of the explosion, although a natural gas leak is the likely suspect.
The news came in the form of a message on their website. Early this evening, Service Specialists, a heating contractor in Sun Prairie, posted a note addressed to their community members saying they installed a furnace at this home 6 days before an explosion ripped it to shreds.
Considered a good company, yes.
As Director of Building and Code Enforcement for the City of Sun Prairie, Dennis Allen has worked with Service Specialists for years. He says they've done a lot of work on city buildings and even installed a furnace in his own home. Allen says people should not assume Service Specialists is to blame because a natural gas leak could start anywhere.
They do a pretty darn good business. I definitely consider them a reputable contractor.
In the statement, company president Jeffrey Olerman says, quote, Service Specialist lead installation technician on this project is a longtime valued member of our team, as well as a lead member of one of our surrounding community's fire departments, who pays the utmost attention to safety details and workmanship. No permit to do this work had been applied for, but Allen said that's not uncommon for a company to do emergency work and apply for a permit later. After reading the statement, he says the problem with the old furnace could have been leaking carbon monoxide into the home.
At that point, they were probably more concerned about the health of the residents with a cracked heat exchanger than they can get the permit later.
Service Specialists wrote, quote, we assure everyone that there were no disreputable intentions for a lack of permit when the work was performed.
Service Specialists say they have been working with police since Tuesday morning and will continue to cooperate with this investigation.